Hi, my name is Joshua Cain, Executive Pastry Chef at Evermore Resort Orlando. I thought it was important to create a chocolate program here at Evermore Resort. It's something that's unique to our property. It's a flavor that you can only come here and you can get that only at Evermore Resort. And we will go through any bounds to get what we are looking for. In this instance, going to Switzerland to curate this chocolate just for our resort. Get to where we're at today with our Evermore chocolate. It started with the first visit to a partnership cocoa farm in Costa Rica, Finca La Amistad. It was an immersive experience, how they grow the cocoa from the beans to then planting the trees, the sustainability that goes with the land that they're using, seeing how it's harvested, seeing how it's dried and fermented, and then actually being able to make some chocolate with it right there on the farm. Fast forward to June of last year, went to Switzerland to actually the factory to where they actually produce the chocolate. This chocolate is very unique to us because we ended up taking about 6 months to really land on what it was and the flavor profiles that we wanted to have here for you at Evermore Resort. So when you first see and smell the chocolate, it's going to be a very rich tones of cocoa right off the bat. And one of the reasons why we did this is we chose two different beans. We chose beans from Ghana to get these real deep, rich cocoa notes. And then we chose beans from Madagascar, which give you a really nice fruity finish at the end. Kind of similar to raisins and currants and red fruits. So you really get a nice fruitiness to finish off the chocolate. Chocolate for me is one of those things that really enlivens the senses. It comes from this gnarly looking pod on a tree in the rainforest around the cocoa belt. And then you use that to create not just tasteful desserts, but to be able to sculpt with it. And it just really hits home for me because, you know, I'm an artist by trade. I love doing that. I love using my hands in sculpting, but I love the flavor and I love to entice people with the different flavors and how I can put together different textures for them. I want guests to experience something that they haven't tried before. You know, anyone can have some chocolate and they can buy online and stuff like that. This chocolate is very unique to us because you can only get it here. You're gonna have it everything from a chocolate chip cookie and a brownie to high-end bonbons, and we're gonna use it in a lot of different areas on the resort.